Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 3 English textbook, workbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 4, I am a Pakistani, and our topic is reciting poem. Essay laws of this lesson are: recite the poem with comprehension, learn to fulfill their duties towards their country. In this lesson, we are going to read this poem, I am a Pakistani. This poem is about our beloved country, Pakistan, and we are going to read it. So, let's start from here. I hear my national anthem in music nice and sweet. I see a pretty flag, colored white and cream. I am a Pakistani. I hear my national anthem. मैं अपना कौमी तराना सुनता हूँ in music nice and sweet. जिसका म्यूजिक बहुत क्या है? Nice and sweet है. I see a pretty flag. इसका प्यारा सा झंडा मुझे दिखता है जो कि कलर में क्या है? White and green है और मैं क्या हूँ? पाकिस्तानी हूँ. All live together here, Punjabi, Sindhi, Balochi and Pathan. My homeland makes me proud. My homeland keeps me safe. I am a Pakistani. All live together here. हम यहाँ पर इकट्ठे रहते हैं सब, पंजाबी, सिंधी, बलोची और पठान. होमलैंड हमारा घर है ये, जो कि हमें प्राउड फील करवाता है और हमारा घर हमें सेफ रखता है और मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ. Plants, flowers, honey and grain grow all in 4 seasons. Sweet, fresh smelling soil gives me energy. I am a Pakistani. पौधे, फूल, शहद और अनाज grow all in 4 seasons. उगते हैं चारों सीजन में: बहार, खिज़ा, सर्दी, गर्मी. Spring, autumn, winter, summer. Sweet, fresh smelling soil. Soil कहते हैं मट्टी को. मट्टी की फ्रेश और मीठी खुशबू मुझे क्या देती है? एनर्जी देती है और मैं क्या हूँ? पाकिस्तानी हूँ. कायद आज़म एंड इलामा इकबाल, फाउंडर्स ऑफ आवर लैंड, preachers of peace and love. I love them both. Long live Pakistan. I am a Pakistani. कायद आज़म और इलामा इकबाल क्या है? फाउंडर्स ऑफ आवर लैंड है, हमारी मुल्क को बनाने वाले हैं. preachers सिखाने वाले हैं अमन और मोहब्बत, पीस एंड लव, और मैं इन दोनों से प्यार करता हूँ. लॉन्ग लिव पाकिस्तान, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, और मैं क्या हूँ? पाकिस्तानी. We have just read the sweet poem, the lovely poem of our beloved country. So now let's move to the exercise of it. We have the meaning of difficult words here. Founder means a person who established something. National means anything which belong to a nation. Anthem का क्या मतलब होता है? A patriotic song. Hero, a person who makes special achievements, जो कि कोई खास काम करे. Look here the question. Answer the question given below. What is a national anthem? National anthem क्या है? हमारा patriotic song है. Question B, how many provinces are there in Pakistan? Yes, we have 4 provinces in our Pakistan. Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan. See, how many seasons do we have in Pakistan? Yes, we have 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn and winter. What did Qaid Azam and Ilama Muhammad Iqbal teach? Yes, they teach peace and love. Question number 3. Learn these words from dictation and make meaningful sentences in your notebook. You have to find the meaning of these words from the dictionary and use them in your sentences. Look at the first one here. Flower. I like the smell of flowers. Like this. You have to make sentences like this in your notebook. Question number 4 here. Mark the right answer from the given choices. The first one has been done for you. For each sentence, we have 4 options. You have to choose the right one. How many colors are there in flag? Yes, Two colors, green and white. Let's move to the next page. How many provinces are there in our country? Yes, 4. Third one, who is the founder of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. Who is our national poet? Yes, Allama Muhammad Iqbal. This is your class task from workbook. Question number 3. Write the answer of the following questions with the help of your elder sister. Number 1. What are the colors of our flag? Yes. 2 colors we have. Green and white. The second one. Write the names of Pakistan provinces. Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The third one, who is the founder of Pakistan? Yes, Quaid-e-Azam. The fourth one, who is our national poet? Yes, we have discussed it. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. The fifth one, have you ever visited any northern area of Pakistan? You have to answer this question by yourself. If you have ever visited any northern area of Pakistan, you have to write about it. This is your homework from summer back. You have to read these stanzas, 2 stanzas we have, and answer this question. You can find the answer of this question from these stanzas here. And we also have an activity here. Recite the above poem and find another about Pakistan and paste below. आपने जो ऊपर दी गई हुई पोएम है वो पढ़नी है, और ऐसी कोई और पोएम जो पाकिस्तान के बारे में हो वो आपने क्या करनी है, इधर पेस्ट करनी है, इधर आप लिख सकते हैं. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.